Okay guys, if you come over here right now, you see I have made over 5,000 naira from this platform. This money you are seeing here is quite easy to make this money. I'm still going to withdraw this 5,000 naira at the end of this video. It's not just fake money, it's real money I have made from this platform, which I'm going to withdraw at the end of the video. I'm going to show you guys exactly how I was able to make this 5,000 naira you are seeing here, and how you can also do your own and make more than this, because this is not the only money you can make here daily. You can make up to 6,000, 7,000, even 20,000 from this platform I'm about to show you right now. Go ahead to show you how you can make this money. Let me just introduce myself because I don't want to take time in the video. I just want to go straight to the point. My name is Masware, and the channel you're watching right now is Massimo United. And at the end of the video, guys, if you find any good value from the video, please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and don't forget to leave us with a comment. Like, if you have any question, don't forget to drop in the comment section. Okay guys, I'm going to, first of all, I'm not just going to start the video from here, because if I'm going to start the video from here, most of us are going to be confused. I'm just going to log out completely from this platform and show you guys how we can sign up. First of all, how to sign up to this platform for us to be able to make this kind of money. I'm still going to withdraw this money at the end of the video. I'm going to show you everything, guys, step by step. So let me just log out from this platform. Then after that, I will show you how you can create your own account and start making money from this platform, guys. Now guys, I just log out from this platform totally. Now the first thing you have to do is just go straight to the description of the video. There's a link there. Once you click that link, it's going to take you to this place where they will ask you to put your mobile number and password. Then you create. They are going to send you something like verification code or something like that. You verify it, and that is all you have to do. So I'm going to go back now to log into the platform back and show you guys how we can start making money from this platform easily. Now guys, we are back in this platform. I'm back. I've logged into my platform back. You can see that the money is still here, so it's not fake. I'm still going to withdraw this money at the end of the video, as I tell you guys earlier. Now this platform is just like investment platform. Now let me just go down here. Let me just go straight to the point. I just want to show you guys how this thing works. Now this platform is a new platform. I know. Look at how this platform works. It works like you have to deposit money here and you receive investment. You receive interest in return. Now guys, don't worry. I said about investment. Don't worry to leave. Even if you don't want to invest, just follow whatever I'm going to show you guys, because me, I'm going to invest a good amount of this money in this platform live here, so that I'll show you guys how this thing is working, because this platform is paying, which I'm going to show you guys how this thing works. And if you come over here, you can see that their interest is very high, which is somehow discouraged. You would think that because of the higher interest, it's not paying. For me guys, I've given this website a try since yesterday. I'll be withdrawing from this website since yesterday, guys. To tell you guys the truth, I'm going to show everything live here. I'm not going to show you the website that is not working. So the way this website works is that you can see over here they have 3,000, and you can see that daily interest 300, and total amount if you deposit 3,000. Let me just open this one up, guys, because so you can see this fully how this website works. So don't bother about the interest level. The only thing here is that the website is still paying now. If you're watching this video today, it means that this website is still paying now. Maybe in the next 1 month you may still be paying. Maybe if you're watching this video maybe a year time, make sure you do your own research before you go ahead and invest. But for today, this website is still paying. I'll be withdrawing from it from yesterday, since yesterday. I'm still going to show you guys the evidence and everything. I'm going to make a live withdrawal at the end of the video, as I told you guys earlier. Now guys, if you come over here, you can see if you deposit 3,000 here, you're going to get up to 300 daily interest, which you can withdraw anytime. You can see it here. You can only withdraw it when you get to 4 days, because their minimum withdrawal is from 1,000. So this money is going to give you a total of 27,000 at the end of 90 days. You can see the interest is very high, which is somehow discouraged. But my own is paying. That's just my own. Since it's paying, I don't care how much they are putting as interest. And if you come down here, you can see that this daily interest is going to reflect in your balance every 24 hours, like from 12 p.m. Like if you make a deposit for this platform right now, it may be around 1 o'clock in the afternoon. This money is not going to refer. It's going to stay till 12 o'clock the next day, which is 12 o'clock moon, for this money for the interest to be added to your wallet, right? Now I know most of you are still confused by this time, so let me just go ahead, because I'm just trying to make sure I explain this in the way you understand. Now let me go over to this one here. This is 5,000 here. If you have to deposit 5,000 here, I'm going to show you guys everything. Don't be in a hurry to leave. Just listen to whatever I'm going to say. Even if you don't want to invest, just grab this thing I'm going to say right now, so I can run with it, because I'm going to invest live here. You are going to see how this thing works. So if you come over here, you can see they have the 5,000 on, which is going to be about 5,200 and 225 naira daily interest you'll be receiving. And you can withdraw this money after 2 days, which is after 2 days they are going to get up to 1,000. So you can be withdrawing them after 2 days, because the withdraw the minimum withdrawal you can get here is from 1,000. You can't withdraw 500 naira. You can withdraw only from 1,000. The same principle, if you read here, you can see that this money is going to refresh in your wallet by 12 o'clock every single day. That's 12 o'clock in the afternoon. This money is going to refresh every day. That's this daily interest. Every 12 o'clock it will reflect in your wallet, that you can withdraw it once it gets up to 1,000. And they have their different levels of money you can easily invest. They have the 10,000, on which this one I'm going to invest in this 10,000 on today. Don't follow up. For me to invest in this platform, mean that this platform is still paying, guys. I'll be withdrawing since yesterday. I'm not playing, guys. This is free. The reason why I'm making this review, because it's working. If the website start working, I'm still going to make another review about them. Promise me. I promise you guys that. Now, guys, if you come over to this place, they have the 30,000 on. You can see that the interest is even more higher, right? The interest is even more higher, but don't care about the interest since it's paying. That's just the thing we are after, right? You can see that they have the 30,000 and the daily interest is 3,400 and the 15. You can withdraw this one every day. That's every day you come here, you withdraw your money. And to withdraw money from this platform in less than 10 minutes, the money is going to reflect in your own account, which I'm going to make a live withdrawal at the end of this video. So just watch whatever I'm doing here. Just grab all the information so that you can run with it yourself. And if you come over here, you can see they have different deposit level and different interest you can go with. You can see it here, they have different ones you can go with. But for now, let's just stop at this point. Let me just go ahead and show you the other ones. You can go ahead, once you log into the platform, you can go ahead and take other deposit interest. You can, yeah, maybe you can easily deposit with 50,000, but I don't want to intimidate anybody, guys. I'm just going to go with the 10,000 on. I'm going to make a deposit of 10,000 to this platform. I'm going to invest 10,000, and now, guys, for me to invest this kind of money, it definitely means that this platform is working. The reason why I don't want to go with the 50,000, I don't want to intimidate anybody, because I want this video to be like it's friendly to everybody. Know that you can do it. It's not like I'm the only one doing it. That's why let me just go with this one here. Now, to start investing to this platform is quite easy. The same way how to withdraw from the platform is easy. Now, to invest to this platform, all you have to do is just go over to this place, then write maybe just choose the plan, depend the money you have, depend the amount you are willing to deposit, the amount you are willing to invest. You just check it. You can see that they have their amount listed there already for you. For today, let me just go with this 10,000 here. Go over to this place, they write 10,000, and I click this one. You can see this one is the daily. I can withdraw this money every 12 o'clock afternoon, right? Every 12 o'clock afternoon I can withdraw this money. That's if I'm to invest 10,000, I'll be withdrawing 1,100 every 12 o'clock. You can see it here. And this one is going to last for 90 days. At the end of 90 days, I'll be getting 99,000 naira, right? It's very high, but since it's paying, I don't have issue with that. Since the money is paying, you can see it every 12 o'clock I withdraw this amount of money. So all I have to do is just go over to this buy here, because I've already done the research. I've already do normal review about them. It's paying. That's why I'm going ahead with this deposit, right? So I go over to this place and write buy. I go over to this buy. It's quite easy to just invest here. Sorry, the network. Let me just refresh it. Now, once I'm this place buy here, just go over to this place. This one here, not this one. Just go over to this one here. Just click this one here and go over to this place, the right recharge here, not this wipe. Just go over to this one here. Just go over to this place, the right recharge. You can see this is 10,000 I'm recharging here. So I'm making a deposit of 10,000 naira. I'm still going to withdraw 5,000 naira at the end of the video, guys, to show you guys that this platform is working perfectly now. If you are investing it today, guys, try and invest bigger money, because this is still working. So take the opportunity now and make money with them. So now this open up, you can make a bank transfer. If you want to make normal bank transfer, you can go ahead and do the normal bank transfer. But for me, I'm going to pay with this value. They say pay VAR USSD. So this is the place you clip here. You clip this in right now, and they are going to give you the option. You can see there's a box here. They say select bank, select bank. So this inside this box now, you clip here. Now you are going to select your own bank. Which bank are you using? Like for me, I'm going to use my Zenith Bank and make this deposit. I have Zenith Bank, I have GT Bank, I have other bank posts. I just want to use my Zenith Bank for this. I clip this thing right now, and they are going to give me this short code here. Just guys, watch whatever I'm going to do. This is not the only way you can make money from this platform, but watch whatever I'm going to do here so that you also can run with this vision, guys. Just watch whatever I'm doing here, guys. Now if you see it here, they are giving me the short code. Since I'm using this netback, this is the short code, so I just copy this short code right now. Once it's copied, I just go back to my phone here. I just open this thing fully, go over here. I'm going to make this money, this 10,000. I just want to invest it because it's working. I'm very sure that it's working now, so now I'm not afraid of investing 10,000 or even up to 100,000. So I press it here and I click this button here, and you can see that the money is going to be transferred to you can see it here. It starts to select my bank. So let me pause this video and make this deposit first, guys. Now guys, this was the name of the bank, so at when I will receive alert, you will take record of this, right? So let me make this deposit complete first. Now guys, once you make the deposit, just come and you can see that the money have been successfully deposited. So I just return back. You can see that the money is reflecting here already. So let me go ahead and show you other things. Now guys, I come back here and I go over to this order. Now you're going to see that the money, you can see they have already given me the interest of the money, but the interest will be available for me to withdraw by 12 o'clock tomorrow. That's 12 o'clock afternoon time. You see, they have invested more than one. You can see I invested here, also invested here also. So this is my two investment I still running in this platform. So let me go ahead and show you other ones because I don't want the video to take much time. It's taking time already. I come over to this me right now. I want to show you other things you can do with this platform. When you log in, you can do other ones for yourself. Now guys, once this place open, you can see where they write. Another way you can make money from here is through their referral link, which is this place they write referral program. If I open this thing right now, it's going to open up another place. They just wait for it to open up. Just like this place you see here, you can see they have up to 3%, 3 levels of commission you can earn. You can see it can earn 12% commission, 8% commission, and 3% commission. It means that any person you refer in yourself direct, you earn 12% commission of every deposit the person is going to make without the person getting extra charge. Like if I deposit 10,000, you're going to earn 10% of 10,000 or 20,000, me getting extra charge, right? And this platform, for you to be able to access it, somebody must refer to this platform. You can't get it yourself. You can't refer yourself. You can't just log into them. Somebody must refer. Because of that, they not keep this commission things. Now, the person you refer here, refer another person here, you're going to earn 8% commission up to 3 levels. You can see it. You can go ahead and read it yourself. You can see it here. And this is not all you have to do is copy this link here. Once you copy this link here, and the good part about this is that once somebody refers you to this platform, you're going to get 500 naira bonus because it's a new platform that is still coming up. That's why I tell you guys, if you have the opportunity to invest more money, invest now because it's still paying. If you are using, if somebody invite you here, you're going to get 500 naira commission, which you can withdraw. Once you have up to 1,000 naira, you can withdraw this money. It's not like invisible money. You can withdraw it. You can see it here. So if I go back here now, I want to show you guys this completely. Now let me go ahead and show you guys how to withdraw from this platform because I've showed you about their referral side. Now to withdraw from this platform is quite easy. All you have to do is just go over to this bank information because you need to set up your bank information. I just clean all this so that I can start afresh and show you guys how this thing works. So let me fill up these details and come back to the video. Now if you come over, you can see that I have filled all the details. I put my name. This is the bank name, my bank name, and this is where I want to withdraw this money to my Fidelity bank account. All you have to do is just click here and select your bank, and you put your account number. You can see it here. This is my own account number where I want this money to be, and put your email address. And please make sure the information you are providing here is correct because they will not refund your money if you put wrong information here. You can see it here. They have already written it here. That you should make sure that anything you are putting here is correct. Now guys, let me go ahead and make a withdrawal since I put on all the details here already. So all you have to do is just go over to this submit here and submit your account details. So this is once you just need to do this thing once. It's not every time. This is set right now. Let me go back and withdraw the money, guys. Once all you have to do, just go back here. Remember, this is what the place will click for us to get access to this place, and this is their customer care where I can chat them up through their customer care. So let me go and withdraw. All I have to do is just click this place, then right withdraw here, and I click this thing right now. I'm going to withdraw 5,000. That's the money, the one I've already getting for my investment so far. You can see this is withdrawable balance. So this is the money I can withdraw right now. By 12 o'clock tomorrow, that one is going to be added. Yeah, so I go over to this withdrawal right now, which is very easy. In less than 10 minutes, you are going to see that I'm going to withdraw this money to my bank account. You see what they write here? They say arrive time within 5 minutes. or processing time within 24 hours, but this money doesn't get up to 24 hours. So I go over to this place here, this blank space here. I put the amount I want to withdraw. I have 5,000, so I'm going to withdraw all the 5,000 I have there without the investment I've received so far, my interest I've received so far. So I click over to this place here, which is withdraw now. So I click this withdraw now, and it's loading. You can see that, you can see what they write, say we place your withdrawal order. So I just need to go back because they have placed this order. So let me go back. You can see my balance now is 0 back. So let me go back and go over to this withdraw here, and let's see that whether the money I've right. You can see it here, it's processing the time I used to withdraw this money. So check the time, and I'm going to pause this video now. Once the money arrive, guys, I'm going to show you guys the time this money arrive. Just take record of this time that is displaying up here, and take record of when I withdraw the money. I'm just going to pause this video now. When the money arrive, I'm going to show you guys that this is really paying, it's still working now. So let me pause the video right now, guys. Okay guys, a minute after I paused the video, I just received the alert immediately. I paused the video, that was when the alert came in. Let me just show you some more here. Okay, let me just go to my message and show you this. A minute after I paused the video, the alert just arrived. It don't even take up to 20 seconds. So let me go back to my message and show you this guy. Okay guys, this is my message. You can see that this, you can see it a minute ago. So let me open it fully and show you guys what I mean. I open this thing fully right now. Guys, look at the time this money arrived. You can see it here, 12:28 a.m. I'm making this video in the midnight, and you can see where the money arrived. So I hope most of you guys take record of the time when we withdraw the money, and this is when the money arrived. You can see it here. You can see it 5,000, and you can see it here. This payout from the platform, that particular platform. You can see it here. This is 5,000. So this money arrived immediately after I paused the video. So this platform is actually paying. This platform start working, I will still let you guys know. This is how you can make money right now with this platform without you having to like add much effort like that. This is all I have for you for today, guys. And don't forget again to like the video, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to give us your comment. If you have any question, don't forget to drop in a comment section. Thank you guys, and see you in my next video.